what's the first thing comes in your mind when you hear the word Mumbai?
Streets.
Beaches.
Sea.
Food.
Metro city. Traffic.
Fashion. Sea, ocean.
Film industry. Film city.
Etiquettes.
Way of clothing, dressing sense.
Language. Vada pav. They're always talking about vada pav.
Now, every place has something special and also their people. So according to you, what's so special about Mumbai and the Mumbaikars?
Bollywood, I guess.
Marine Drive.
They're a bit polite. Vada pav was amazing there.
The Gateway of India and the Taj Hotel.
Vada pav.
I love the beach side of that. I think the lifestyle, the safety, nightlife.
Vada pav.
Vada pav, bhel puri, pav bhaji. I think people will be more open-minded and they'll be helpful. And I think humanity exists more probably because of the conditions there. I think they're like a fashionista of sorts.
Plus, I think women also there. Their safety is a feature which Mumbai gives, and women are very safe.
They are friendly.
I guess for me it's like, dreams come true there.
Hello everyone, my name is Shubhangi and I'm a counseling psychologist. I came to Bombay in 2017 and I came there to do my master's degree. I think the city is a little tough when you come especially from a smaller city. I'm basically from Calcutta. But after the starting phase, that where you just feel lost in this big city, I think you find your place. This city has a place for everyone, and this city gives opportunity to everyone, and it has such big arms and it just hugs you tight. So yeah, I think the city is really welcoming. I still remember the first time when I'd boarded a train and I had to go back to my place, to my house. I did not know how to go back. So I asked someone, where can I get a cab for this certain place? And they were like, you will get a shared cab. Why do you need a personal cab? So that person actually dropped me to the bus stop where I could have gotten a shared cab. So this is how the city works. Everyone helps each other, but they are not very poking, and it's a very non-judgmental city, I feel. So yeah, there is a place for everyone, and it is very welcoming to the newcomers and to experimentation, innovation, giving chances to people. Now it's on you and your talent how you make your place in the city, but opportunity is there, love is there. So yeah, the people are really good. So I shifted back here to Calcutta, but now after I shifted back after 1 month, I was like, oh God, what have I done? I need to go back to Bombay. So yeah, now I'm going back to Bombay again. So it's a wonderful city.
Hi, I'm Kamreen Hazarika. I come from a really small and beautiful city, Guwahati, from northeast of India. I did my law school from Bombay itself, Mumbai as we call it now. And the journey was incredible. It was a beautiful journey where I met different kinds of people. It's a city, it's a cosmopolitan city. So you come across people from various cities, various parts of India, various parts of the world. So my journey as a law student in Mumbai was amazing. Each day was a learning experience. It taught you. I struggled a lot, of course. A girl from a small city coming to a big city like Mumbai, it has its negatives, but the positives were more. I went back after my law school, back home to my native place, and now I'm back with my husband. And now we are experiencing a different journey, different struggle, but the people have been wonderful always. So as we say, the people make a place. So the people of Mumbai are beautiful. They are welcoming, they are loving, they are protective. So I've had a wonderful journey, I'm sure you will. And every person who comes to Mumbai would say the same. And for my husband, who's a musician in the Bollywood industry, he would have the same opinion. So enjoy the experience. Thank you.